okay, this one wasn't easy at all, actually, and not very pleasurable. I want to remember this just for my own sake. Basically, it's formatting and moving both changing the location indentation. And then I was just getting on my, I was just focusing on, okay, let's, I mean, you have a bunch of information here of the subroutines, but I didn't really take the subroutines. I just got this straightforward and actually I didn't keep the code, so it's a little bit of a pity, but I was just trying to text the way around this and kind of going here to the print exercise. Okay, I'll put the name and then which one do I do? And actually, it's quite more simple. Still a lot of text. I have to admit that the formatting CSS part or the beautifying part is really painful. But what I find quite interesting is obviously the logic. It's always the interesting part is always the logic. That there's a definition of a subcommand, and basically the first subcommand is color. And like, okay, well, what if color red? This is what you will get, or you will return the color red. Then the interesting thing is that you create variable, which includes a subroutine. So you're creating the variable, subroutine goes inside. So then you're calling title. You're basically creating the subroutine title, the variable title that includes the subroutines of changing colors. So then the moment you already have variable, and then you can indent through the technique with the F string. You're basically applying the F string. You can indent. So it's just so clean. I didn't put all the rest of the text, just because it's painful. It's painful, and I really don't want to do all this writing. Okay, I just went down here, but this will be a bit of repetition of the same. You'll just have different text, and what you're doing is you're pulling from the subroutine and it changes the color. You're constantly saying, okay, this is the subroutine that changes the color. I'll pull in, and I'll be changing in all these areas, color change, color change, color change. The only thing you're doing is you're using whatever variable you've created, and then you're indenting it. It's clean, it's beautiful. I just decided to keep a little bit just the basic code, so it's same. And again, I love that the coding is all about simplifying the process and finding the sub process and the sub process, and the subroutines are actually quite interesting in that sense. I enjoy this.